5 Best PC Cases. Hello, in this video we are going to check out 5 best PC cases. We made this list based on our personal opinion that's a result of research for ours. We've ranked the products based on their quality, specifications and all other important facts. We've tried to select them in a various price range. So, you can easily find the best product for you. You will find the product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Coming in at number 1 is Thermaltake V200 Tempered Glass. Designed for PC builders who want a sleek, custom-looking case with great airflow and a crystal-clear tempered glass panel. The Versa V200 TG RGB is the ultimate mid-tower. This special RGB version comes with 3 120mm 12V RGB front fans that are dual-mode controllable either through the front I/O panels, or by connecting to compatible ASUS Gigabyte, MSI, ASRock or Biostar motherboards. In second place is the NZXT H510. The H510 compact mid-tower ATX cases looks stunning and is an excellent value, making it the ideal case when you want a small footprint ATX case without sacrifice. Well-engineered airflow, removable radiator mounting bracket, flush tempered glass window, multiple fan filters, and a front panel USB-C connector are just some of the key features. The H510 features a removable radiator mounting bracket, simple-to-use SSD trays, and a patented cable management system for a smarter, easier build experience. The USB 3.1 Gen 2 compatible USB-C connector on the front panel makes it easier than ever to connect smartphones, high-speed external storage, and the latest peripherals to your PC. In third place is the Cooler Master MasterBox Pro. The MasterBox Pro 5 RGB's straightforward design comes with 3 120mm RGB fans installed behind the dark mirror front panel and a 4mm thick edge-to-edge tempered glass side panel which give the case a unique outlook and various options to show off your build inside. The interior offers conveniently placed cutouts, making component installation, interior expansion, and multiple interior layouts simple and easy. It can also support large, high-end components, several fans and DIY liquid cooling. Keep your system looking clean with numerous routing holes and a cover for your PSU. In fourth place we have the Thermaltake California 1990F1WN00. 3 5mm thick tempered glass gives the case a sleek look and assures the durability of the window while ensuring the ultimate internal component visibility. Both sides are hinged and swing open for easy and full access to your build. Freely build your system from ground up with modular panels, racks, brackets, and pre-designed mounting arrays. No more unreachable screw corners or gaps to enjoy even more space for your precious parts during installation or maintenance. The fan mount brackets feature a quick release bar on each side for instant removal and reattachment of the fan with minimal movement, supporting up to 3 200mm fans each bracket. Support vertical graphic card layout with dual PCIe slots design. Integrated riser GPU support bracket not only prevents the graphic card from sagging, but also helps to reduce the weight on the motherboard PCIe slots. And finally the fifth one is the Corsair Carbide 270R mid-tower case. Carbide Series 270R is compact and engineered for building high-performance systems while featuring an open, simplified internal layout designed for ease of assembly. With room for up to a 360mm radiator in front, 280mm radiator in the top, and 120mm radiator in the rear, the 270R provides enormous cooling potential. The rugged steel drive trays provide ample room for additional storage. Unobstructed exterior panels provide an understated look for an overall clean and minimalist design. The built-in cable routing compartment enables effortlessly clean builds and the direct airflow path provides airflow to the hottest components without any interference from drive gauges, Thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe this channel.